Are you ready to turn your phone into a money-making machine? In this video, we're diving into the future of Facebook monetization right from your mobile device in 2026. Facebook offers massive opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. We'll explore the best strategies to capitalize on this enormous platform for financial gain. The key is leveraging the Facebook mobile app's native features. From content creation to sales, everything can be managed conveniently on your phone. With continuous platform evolution and a surge in mobile commerce, 2026 is the perfect time to establish and grow your revenue streams on Facebook. Monetization starts with content. High-value content attracts larger audiences, which is the foundation for earning money. Short-form video like Reels dominates engagement. Create compelling, bite-sized videos consistently to quickly grow your reach and viewership. Success comes from identifying a profitable niche. Focus on what you know and who needs your expertise to build a dedicated community. Facebook provides built-in tools to help creators earn directly from their content. Let's look at how to activate and maximize these features. Enable in-stream ads for revenue from video views, and utilize stars, which are virtual gifts viewers purchase to support you, especially during live streams. Offer paid subscriptions for premium content. This builds a stable, recurring income stream directly from your most loyal fans. Selling products directly on Facebook is one of the most straightforward paths to monetization using your phone. Set up a Facebook shop right from your phone. This allows you to list products, manage inventory, and handle customer service all in one place. Use Marketplace for local sales of physical goods or even selling digital products. It's user-friendly and great for immediate transaction. Affiliate marketing and brand collaborations offer scalable income without needing your own products. Identify relevant affiliate programs. Share unique links for products or services and earn a commission for every sale generated through your phone. As your audience grows, approach brands for paid partnerships. Authentically integrate their products into your content and get paid for your influence. Facebook groups are powerful tools for building deep community and creating exclusive earning opportunities. Start a paid membership group. This is where you can deliver premium value, like specialized training or consulting, for a recurring fee. Use your group to nurture a loyal audience, gather feedback, and launch new products or services directly to a highly engaged market. Now that you have the strategies, let's talk about execution and long-term success. Always track your performance using Facebook's analytics tools. See what content is generating the most revenue and optimize your strategy based on data. Remember, consistency is the ultimate key to success on Facebook in 2026. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep earning.